So let's talk about auto insurance. Everybody calls in and says, hey, I need full coverage on this vehicle. Well, the question is, what is full coverage? I mean, there's a lot of different things out there. You have comprehensive coverage, you have collision coverage, you have towing, you have labor, you have rental car coverage, you have new car replacement, you have OEM parts repair. What exactly is full coverage? So we're going to kind of break that down in a second. What most people mean when they say full coverage is they mean comprehensive and collision coverage. So collision coverage is when you hit something, okay? When you drive your car into something, that is a collision claim, okay? It can't have blood in it though. So if you hit a person or an animal, that's actually a comprehensive claim. So a collision claim is when you hit something that's inanimate with your car, and that pays to fix your car in the event that happens, okay? Comprehensive coverage is basically, think of it as something happening to your car. A tree limb falls on it, lightning hits it, someone keys your car in the parking lot, you hit a deer, you hit a person. Those things are comprehensive coverage. Used to in the past, comprehensive coverage was actually called OTC coverage, or other than collision, okay? But those two things, comprehensive and collision, are things that fix your car if something happens to it that is not someone else's fault, okay? That's what a lot of people think is full coverage. So when you talk about, hey, I need full coverage, those are generally the two things that they think about. The roadside assistance is a great coverage to have. It's not very expensive. It's going to give you gas if you're broke down on the side of the road. It's going to come tow you if you're broke down on the side of the road. And it's also generally going to do some repair work if you need to get jumped or just need some type of a quick repair on the side of the road, and even unlock your car doors. You don't want to have a lot of those claims because the insurance company's not going to be real happy with you. They might bump your rates around a little bit, but it's always nice to have in the event you need it. The other thing is better car replacement. Some of it's new car replacement, newer car replacement, or better car replacement. It's where they kind of upgrade your vehicle in the event you have a claim. I really like that because what I tell everybody, if you have a claim, most insurance companies are going to do a good job of giving you the value of the car. But the problem is this: no one ever thinks their car is worth what someone else thinks it's worth. So if I have a car, I'm going to want to sell it for a lot more than you're going to be willing to pay for it. And I'm going to think, if I wreck my car, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get a car exactly like it and is treated as well as I treat my vehicle. What that better car or newer car replacement coverage does is it upgrades your car. And so what I tell folks, you're basically going to get what you think your car's worth, not what it is actually worth in that situation. So those are some of the coverage you need to look at. So when you're adding a vehicle to your policy and you say full coverage, make sure you know exactly what you're getting and know exactly what you need to ask for so you can have the coverage you need.